Hi, I'm Jeffrey, I'm a licensed therapist, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll go over a technique to reduce your anxiety. The technique is called the butterfly method. First, I want you to take a moment to assess your body. Notice how anxious you're feeling on a scale of 1 to 10. After completing the exercise, I want you to notice if there's any decrease in your anxiety. The exercise will take between 1 and 2 minutes. Let's begin. First, I want you to cross your arms and put them on your shoulders just like this. Then you will begin tapping rhythmically from side to side, just like this. Good job. You will continue tapping rhythmically from side to side for the next 1 to 2 minutes. From time to time, you will take a moment to take a deep breath in between taps. Continue doing this for 1 to 2 minutes. Good job. Now, take a moment to assess your body. Does it feel any different? I hope this exercise helped reduce your anxiety. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And for more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next one.